please subscribe and click the bell.
The most common problem of the water heater, when it's not working, is thermocouple. I will demonstrate to you guys once I remove the old one.
This is the new one. This is the old one.
I bought a new thermocouple in order to know if there's any problem for the old one. I already used the old one for more than 5 years, so whatever result for this test, I decided to change the old one. I will start to bend a new one so that I can install easily. In order to hook up this thermocouple, I used 2 different colors of the clips, which is red and black. I will connect these 2 cables to my tester prod. After that, I will hook up into my old thermocouple. Then I will set up my digital tester to direct current voltage. Then after that, I will heat it up by using profane torque. The thermocouple will function if he will catch the heat. Let's try to test a new thermocouple and compare the difference. As you can see, there's no more different at all. Meaning the old thermocouple is still good. The only reason why I will change is because it's too old. The thermocouple can work if he can connect it to thermal switch.
So, it's fine.
For now, I will install a new thermocouple into the burner. I have two different options to confirm if the thermal switch is still working or not. Because even though I changed the thermocouple, still not possible to fire up the burner. The first option that I can do is using analog tester and set up on ×1. Before that, let me install the burner first. For installing the burner, you have to make sure that the burner will sit properly. There is a cut hole at the bottom where the burner can sit. Now let's connect the 3 tubings that attach to the burner. Use 3/4 inches combination wrench for the middle tube. $11mm for the right side tube. And 3/8 inches for the left side tube. After that, connect the wiring on the lighter socket.
Connect this.
Then open the gas valve to get the gas. And open it counterclockwise. If you still remember, I cleaned the thermocouple from the first part of this video. But the burner didn't fire up.
Check it out. See? It's gone. Okay? So meaning, this is the problem.
Let me summarize the trouble. First, I cleaned the thermocouple. Second, I replaced it for a new one. Even though there's a gas supplied into the burner. But still not fire up the burner. Let's check if this thermal switch has a good contact. Use analog tester and set up on ×1. It seems this thermal switch has no proper contact. It should be goes to 0. In order to confirm that this thermal switch was not working properly, I use this analog tester as temporary thermal switch and set up on ×1.
Okay, so I already release that. Okay, let's set up in on position. Okay, and then set up in 1. Once that I disconnect this one, the fire will shut off. Show you. See that?
Let's clean the thermal switch. In order to clean it, you can use lighter fluid. And you have to check the resistance every second so that you will know the status. it doesn't mean that you clean it, you can use it right away. A temperature switch or thermal switch is used to open and close switch contacts. The switching status of the temperature switch changes depending on the input temperature. This function is used as protection against overheating or overcooling. That's why I used another option just to use 0.5 ohms by 1.5 watt resistor as jumper.
Okay, good.
Then connect 2 wires into thermal switch and test it.
Go to pilot, press, and make sure that this one is on the light. Even here there's no problem, but much better here. Okay, press 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's see. So there's a light. Okay, then I release. Okay, so once that the thermocouple is still warm, so the lights still get on. Okay. So I already released that. My hand is not there. Still has the lights. Okay, now we're going to turn on this one. Put this one right here. Then you can set up right here.
After several minutes, I remove the jumper to avoid overheating. I hope you enjoy to watch this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.